Assalamualaikum and good day. Hi, today I would like to explain about e-business. Stay tuned. In this video, you will introduce to history and definition of the e-business, factors that affect the growth of the e-business, and type of the e-business. First and foremost, we take a look at history. In 1994, IBM with its agency began to use its foundation in IT solution and expertise to market itself as a leader of conducting business on the line through the term e-business. Not just that, it began commercialized on 2000 after conducting a market research in 1994 by writing 8 pages in the Wall Street Journal. Other than that, IBM launched $3,000 million to campaign on this. Then what is e-business? Electronics business or e-business can be defined as the use of the internet to network and empower business operations within a company and customers, suppliers, and stakeholders. For example, a business having website will publish their product there. A supplier will order what they need through the website. Then, the entity will process the order and supply them to the supplier. Last but not least, supplier will sell their product to the end user or customer. Then, we move to the factors that affect the growth of e-business, which are technological, general, and infrastructure. Let's kickstart with the technology bandwidth. Transmission capacity of a communication channel is a major barrier for the product that require more graphical data. In addition, development of World Wide Webs or WWW early 1990s. This extended the functionality of the internet by introducing hypertext that link document held in the server. In general factors, it is due to the increasing in the understanding of the e-business operation in terms of safety, security, and delivery. Not just that, most of the countries promoting online business in kind of the other sources of income in a household. For example, Malaysia and Indonesia. Last but not least, infrastructure. Logistic, which in terms on how the flow of the product. That means on how the product will be handed over to the customer. Furthermore, overdevelopment of the infrastructure around the world has eases the flow of the products. Other than that, aggressively transformation done by entity in order to improve the business. We move to the last section, which is type of the e-business. Firstly is business to business or B2B, the model that involve company using the internet to conduct transaction with one another. Secondly, B2C or business to consumer, which main model of e-business sells product directly to retail consumer online. Thirdly, consumer to business or C2B is a unique business model in which consumer create value and demand for products. Last but not least, consumer to consumer or C2C enable consumer to behave as buyer and seller in a third party. That's all about the introduction to e-business. Thank you for your time and see you again.
Created using Powtoon.